Hello, dear traders. My name is Clara, and these are the main trading ideas for the current session. First, let's look at the situation of the euro against the United States dollar. Hawkish remarks from Federal Reserve officials are providing support to the United States dollar and creating headwinds for the euro against the United States dollar. The president of the Federal Reserve Bank of Boston stated that it would be appropriate to remain within the current policy range for some time. Meanwhile, the president of the Federal Reserve Bank of Richmond noted that monetary policy is well positioned to address risks related to the economic outlook. At the same time, uncertainty surrounding United States trade policy remains elevated. After the Supreme Court overturned previous tariffs, the United States president introduced a new global tariff under existing trade legislation, with the possibility of further increases. This development adds volatility and may weigh on the United States dollar if trade tensions escalate. On the European side, the European Parliament postponed a vote on a trade agreement with the United States due to the newly announced tariffs. The president of the European Central Bank emphasized that the central bank will remain flexible and continue to set interest rates on a meeting-by-meeting basis, describing the balance of risks as broadly balanced. Overall, monetary policy divergence currently supports the United States dollar, while ongoing trade uncertainty keeps market sentiment cautious for the euro against the United States dollar. Next, let's move on to the Australian dollar against the United States dollar. The Australian dollar against the United States dollar is edging higher, following the latest Australian consumer inflation data. However, buying momentum remains limited, and the pair continues to trade within the established range that has held over the past 2 weeks. According to the Australian Bureau of Statistics, the Consumer Price Index rose by 3.8% year-on-year in January, exceeding expectations of 3.7% and matching the previous reading. This data supports the hawkish stance of the Reserve Bank of Australia and provides moderate support to the Australian dollar. On the other hand, the United States dollar is holding on to recent gains and remains close to its monthly high reached last week. This strength in the United States dollar may cap further upside in the Australian dollar against the United States dollar. So, these are the main trading ideas for now. Thank you for your attention, and don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel.